Oh wait, where'd you go? It's recorded.
Oh, that's really funny. You want to be one of your bloopers?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I might start the video. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Barton Babe, back at it again with another video, and this week, look who's here! I told you I wasn't just a narcissist and that I was gonna bring somebody in, and we did it! It's Bet on Bargain Hunt, who is a phenomenal interior designer, but also an all-star budget baller. So we brought her in because we were doing a habitat house that it was a project that we collaborated on, but she's gonna be designing the house and we're following along, and we helped donated a bunch of stuff for it. So we wanted to bring you guys along with the journey, but I'll let Monica tell you guys more about like our recipients of the house.
Yes. So like Rachel said, this is a super special project to all of us that has just kind of started something a little bitty and has blown up into something bigger than we could ever anticipate. We have so many volunteers working right now. Everybody has banded together to help this mama and her precious daughter to get the home that they have dreamed of and that they deserve. So a friend approached me a few months ago and said, hey, our friend Cody has recently received a Habitat house. Cody worked for this house. You can learn more about Habitat on their website, but
I'll put the link in the description or in the comment section.
Perfect. And so they just needed a few things to just, turn it into a home, make their beautiful house a home. So that's when I reached out to Bargain Hunt, and they have been instrumental in helping this project. So we have been collecting things. Some things are damaged. We're going to show y'all how you can switch that and make it into a beautiful piece that you basically paid nothing for. And
we're going to do like a haul section to show you everything in every room. And then of course we're going to have that HGTV style reveal, because who wouldn't want that? You're all here for the entertainment and you know it. So stay tuned, and without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Let's get into it.
So like Rachel mentioned, I do everything on a tight as budget as possible. I like to teach clients that you don't have to have a certain amount of money to get the look that you want for your home. You can, if you have $200, if you have $25,000, we can get you the beautiful home that you want. So sometimes you may run across at Bargain Hunt damaged items.
Like this
beautiful, it still has the price tag on it. This was originally a $130 tree, okay?
The palm leaf. You can't see the top, but I'll show it to you.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
If we saw this for $130, we would first off say, let's go find it at Bargain Hunt.
Which is where we found it first.
This is where we found it. And then you have this basket, okay? Anytime I see a plant with a busted base, I don't worry about it, because I always like to add some dimension and add some interest with my potted plants to put them in a basket or a larger planter, okay? So all I'm gonna do is, you wanna help me out?
Place in there like so.
This is going to go in the corner of a room. If you were going to put your plant in the middle of a room, which I don't think anybody would do, but I mean, usually you're going to find plants, especially larger ones, in corners of the room. So since it's going to be in a corner, you don't have to worry about this basket that we got for basically free. You don't have to worry that it's dented, because this is going to be going in a corner anyways, okay? So see how much prettier that looks just off the bat? And then you're going to grab some trash bags, and you're going to put your trash bags in here.
Tuck like so.
And then you're gonna pick you up some moss. I have started picking my own moss. My husband thinks I've legitimately lost my mind. So I did not bring any of my own moss for this because I need my moss, but I just picked up this at Walmart. You can pick it up at any local craft store. You can order it on Amazon. We're gonna open the moss, and then we're just gonna distribute the moss
like so.
And moss is really easy to work with, can pull it apart. There's really no wrong or right way to do it.
And it gives you such a whimsical, like, fairy little look.
Yes. Oh, you could do a little fairy house in here. What if we did that?
I could. I have all...
Do you have a fairy house?
I could get one or make one very easily.
So there you have it. So you just keep pressing, putting the moss together as you see fit, and then even add more moss to it. So we just took, I don't even remember what we got this for.
I think it was like $3 because it was damaged. It was
they
out there
marked
as
it down
card.
so great. Don't be afraid to ask. I mean, if they can mark it down, great. If they can't, then they'll just kindly say no. But don't be afraid if something's busted, you know, to say, hey, can we do any better on this?
Because you're honestly probably doing them a favor, because otherwise they were just gonna have to get rid of it anyway.
Getting it out of the stores.
And it's all about being creative in every aspect of the word.
Absolutely. So we took this $130 tree. This was a $27 basket. I'm not a mathematician.
Let's be $157.
We took $157 feature for, it was under $10. Under $10, people. So what's next? Let's do our next one. This is one of our favorites. Next, we're gonna show you another favorite that we did on a dive.
Project number 2 is this wonderful table that we found while we were out shopping.
Yes, so you probably, any normal person, would have probably just kept walking past this base because it was not a table.
Yeah.
It was just a base.
Calling it a table is a little generous.
It's a little generous because it's just
a
bones.
frame.
So,
a skeleton.
But we had a bigger vision because we got this base for $5. So we thought if we just have to spend $5 on this, there's a few pieces that we can get to really transform this into a beautiful console table. So we got help with our girl from Southern Honey, chalk paint.
Yes, Southern Honey.
Thank you, girl. She donated paint for us. We're so grateful. Thank you, thank you. So with a few supplies, you can turn this into a gorgeous console table. So we have our table. It already has the holes where the screws need to be put in. You just get you some small wood screws, and we're gonna secure this top to it, and then we're just gonna paint the top.
And we got the top from what, Home Depot or Lowe's?
Home Depot. It was already cut the exact size.
Yeah.
I think it was under $20 for sure.
But you can just go in with measurements and they can cut you pieces of wood and any kind of wood you want. And so like, and then you just quickly stain it and boom. And which sometimes you can even find stain at Bargain Hunt, because I've gotten that for too.
And I found paint there too. Yeah. You can check Bargain Hunt first. If you don't learn anything from this besides giving back,
always check
to
at
your
Bargain
community.
Hunt first.
Always check at Bargain Hunt first.
I forgot.
Okay, so we're gonna start painting the table. And this is a chalk paint. The thing I like about chalk paints is that you don't have to sand. You don't have to, I mean, you can if you want to, but it is so durable and goes on so beautifully that it's just a really easy job. You could either do a stain, like we talked about. There's so many options. You could do reclaimed wood to give more of a vintage look, but this is just
you could even do a pop of color to be
pop of color.
Yeah, like
get you some glass. I mean, you could really, the possibilities are truly endless.
You could get glass and then get spray paint that turns glass into mirror, which I've gotten at Bargain Hunt before, and then you could have a mirrored table.
So we're gonna get it painted,
and we'll probably show you some other stuff and then come back and show you when it's all done.
Two more of our favorite DIYs, refurbished, repurposed things that we've done for this project. Cody had this beautiful king bed, but it was broken. So what we did was we got this super inexpensive basic metal base from Amazon. It was under $50, king size base. And we put it in the middle and built the bed around it. So very inexpensive. We definitely wanted to use this bed. Bargain Hunt helped us to source the mattresses. She had a queen mattress. So we got king mattresses, got our inexpensive bed frame, and then built this beautiful bed around it. And then a second one, this bench right here is a beautiful bench. It retails for over $250, and it had some broken legs. So my good friend Selena, who is a pro fixer of all the things, she just found these legs off Amazon, and we were able to paint it all so it was very uniform and looked like you would never look at this bench and think, oh, they put new legs on that bench. We just fixed it really quick. The legs were very inexpensive, so
Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video for the damaged DIY portion.
Bring it back to life.
Yeah, we brought it back to life. Full on seance in here. If you guys want to see what we're going to do with some of these DIYs and how we're going to style them, also our favorites from the haul from Bargain Hunt.
Holiday!
Holla slay, girl. If you want to see that, tune in next time because we'll be here. And
we got lots to tell ya.
We can't wait to take you along on this journey. So till next time, bye!